How to make $100 a day with Twitter and affiliate marketing. Okay, so here we are at Twitter, and this is pretty straightforward to set up an account. I'm not going to go through that. What you can do is just in your profile, which also helps, you can put a banner in. You could change that. It's just a banner of Sydney when I was there recently, but here in your profile you can put some hashtags of topics. You can actually put a link which makes people come to your profile and click on that, and I'll talk to you about what Bitly is in a moment. Basically, Bitly is just a URL shortener, and it masks a link. So if you want to make $100 a day, you need to have a product to sell. And so find something that people are looking for here. Do a search, say, using a hashtag. So let's say belly fat. It says lots. You see the hashtags here: weight loss, belly fat. But there's a smarter way of doing that. So all right, so there is. And we filter that by latest as well. You don't want things that are 10 years old. This one's 38 minutes ago. All right, so we're going to look at belly fat. So let's go over to a website called Clickbank. Clickbank is an affiliate website. And what do I mean by affiliate? They've got thousands of products here that you can sell to get paid a commission without actually buying the product. They've just recently rebuilt the website. Clickbank has been around for 20 years. It's one of the original affiliate marketplaces. So if you haven't got an account, you probably need to set up an account. Well, you will need to set up an account. I'm just going to go to marketplace because I can't be bothered logging in. And there we are. And you'll see that to the left there's categories. So let's go to, you can do a search up here. You have to find products, in our case, and I'm just going to go belly fat, but you can go through all these categories here and find a product that will suit you, what you want to promote. So as you can see, quite a few products here with on belly fat. Just at the top here, I pause the video and come back. Where my mouse is here, sort results by popularity. You can search by gravity. What gravity is, I'll just show you. Gravity here is a score 136. All that means is 136 affiliates have made money out of this product in the last 30 days. So they might have sold more than one product, but there's been 136 affiliates that have made sales of this product in the last 30 days. So let's go back to popularity. And so the higher the gravity, the better it is, until you get to a point where if you're new, you don't want to promote things that have got a gravity of a couple of hundred. It's too competitive. Flat belly code, lean belly. There was a flat belly fix. Which sold very well for a while. And don't underestimate some of these websites. They might look average. Some of these products here sell $1 million a month. So, all right. So here we'll just quickly go to the website. You can have a look, and I think it's a video sales letter. Yes. And they work really well, video sales letters. So let's go back. And what you want to do here is, all right, we'll promote this product. So you click on the promote button and you're going to get paid $43.88 each time someone sells. So 2 of those a day, you would make close to your $100 a day. So you'll have a nickname. You'll be given a nickname when you registered for your account. I'm just going to put mine in. And we're going to create what they call a hop link. And this is your unique affiliate link. And when you look at it, it looks pretty messy. Now, I probably wouldn't click on that, and a lot of people wouldn't. So we're going to copy that. You can left-click the mouse and do that, or you can just go to the clipboard note just there and click on that. All right, so now we don't want to go straight over here to Twitter and put that link. What we're going to do is go to another website over here called Bitly, and the website is bit.ly. And what you do, I'm already logged in, you can see I've got links here. So we're going to create, you cut that, put that big long hop link in there, and it brings up this nice short little link. And so you know what it is, you can put a title there, otherwise you get mixed up with what things are. And sometimes it will allow you to change, to make something that's got a keyword in it there. It just depends. Let's see. No, it won't allow flat bell. The link is taken. No. Okay, so in this case, because it is a popular product that's been around for a while, but you can leave it as it was, and here's the link up here. So what we do now is click on that link, copy that link, and we go back over here to Twitter. Now, another way we want to search on Twitter, I've got it over here. So if you look in the search bar here, this is a way of getting doing a search to find tweets that don't have lots of domains in them already, otherwise promoting something. So in apostrophe online business, I've got here, but let's put belly fat. And it's abbreviated there, and then the hyphen or the minus symbol. Then https:// and the apostrophes again, and then you do a search. And there will be some links, but it also brings up, there we go. This person says, I want to lose belly fat. What products do you recommend? And the other thing is go to latest, which I have, because it normally defaults to top. You want the latest. So I want to lose belly fat. What products do you recommend? So then what you could do, there's 2 ways. This is probably the best way. This is more direct to that person. You click on that there, and you could say, you can reply to their tweet. This product, it sucks. Belly fat sucks. This product worked for me, and then put the link, and all you do is click reply, and I'm not going to do that because I don't want that to come back. So that's how simple that is. You just go through. That one's got a link, so I wouldn't bother responding to that. And you go through and you just reply to these. Now, you can do it in any category you like. And this is, that's why it said bell fat, because I didn't spell belly fat correct. Let's try again. And look, sometimes you'll find some garbage there, and that's just the reality. And I'd probably only reply to people that in what I call tier 1 countries, where the people have actually got money to spend on something. So you can, if you're not sure, you can just right click on that, open a new tab, and see, you know, a bit about that person. All right, so I hope that's been of use to you, how to make $100 a day on Twitter as an affiliate. If you've got value from this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I've got some free training, my #1 free training, in the link below, in the description link below, so just click on that if you're interested in more free training, and we'll see you on the next video.